Nestled on a low-traffic street in a quaint neighborhood, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home is just waiting for the do-it-yourself updates, and would make a great rental or perfect starter home. This property offers a large front yard and a fully fenced backyard with ample space for children, pets, outdoor activities, gardening, or potential expansion. This property also includes a garage, lawn care shed and priced to sell quickly. Seize the chance to make your move and turn this fixer-upper into your dream residence or a lucrative investment.